Yes, a store should always be well lit, actually. And of course, we want to create the best possible plan for this as a whole, a plan that is balanced for the whole store, but also provides a bit of an experience throughout the store. Plus, we wanted to add a little extra to a number of facets as well. We had already hired a designer for that to see which lamp would suit our new store style. And this special item was so unique for us, we couldn't actually buy it on the market. It was made of concrete, was difficult to install, had long lead times, and was just plain cumbersome. But with the right Philips team there, we were able to create the lamp we very much wanted to have in our stores. We had to figure out what feature we really wanted. What exactly it should look like, what criteria it should meet, what the shape, size, color, and opacity should be. And the specialist had great suggestions on how to make everything streamlined and work smarter. Philips offered us the option of having these lamps 3D printed in the same shape. We were able to recreate the concrete look very well in these 3D printed lamps. It's an easy product and is fairly quick to manufacture. So imagine, for example, the installer says, "Gosh, we'd still like to have another thingy attached so we can hang it up easier." Then it's much easier and quicker to create it in 3D than, say, an existing element of which all kinds of molds would have to be made. It's also a safe product because it isn't heavy. It's all made from very light materials, which means installers can install it pretty quickly in stores. And the fact that it's a sustainable product is also very important for us because it's aligned very well with our positioning. This 3D printed lamp is therefore a very nice part of Plus's sustainability program. Ultimately, it's about the total package, about what you want to hang, what you want to create in terms of perception. The whole store is, of course, full of hundreds of spotlights and downlights, and we use the full package Philips offers in this respect. That's when it's just really nice to have a partner who also maintains an overview of the whole store.